If you're seeing Steam error 29, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back into Steam as fast as possible. This error is usually linked to a temporary restriction, browser issues, network problems, or cache data that needs to be cleared. The good news is that in most cases, you can solve it yourself without reinstalling Steam or doing anything complicated. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes like this. Let's get started. First, the simplest fix is to wait and try again later. In many cases, Steam error 29 happens because of a temporary restriction on your account or connection, and that restriction can lift on its own after a few hours. So, if you're in a hurry, give it some time and then try logging in again. If it still doesn't work, the next step is to restart Steam completely. Close Steam fully, make sure it's not still running in the background, and then open it again. Sometimes a fresh restart is enough to clear a temporary glitch. If you're trying to use Steam in a browser, the next thing you should do is clear your browser data. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy or History, and clear cookies and cache. Old browser data can sometimes interfere with Steam sign-in pages and trigger errors like this. After that, try logging in again and see if the issue is resolved. Another fix to try is using or disabling a VPN. If you already have a VPN enabled, try turning it off because sometimes the VPN itself can cause Steam to block or restrict access. On the other hand, if your regular IP address is causing the problem, switching to a different IP through a VPN may help bypass a temporary restriction. This is one of those fixes that depends on your connection, so test both options if needed. Next, clear your Steam cache. Open Steam, go into the settings, and look for the download or cache-related options depending on your version of Steam. Clearing the cache can remove corrupted temporary files that may be causing login or connection issues. Once that's done, restart Steam again and test it one more time. If the error is still there, the next step is to flush your DNS. This can help fix network-related issues that prevent Steam from connecting properly. To do this, open Command Prompt as an administrator. You can search for Command Prompt in the Start menu, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. You should see a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. After that, restart your computer and launch Steam again. At this point, one of these fixes should have cleared up Steam error 29. If the issue was temporary, waiting may solve it. If it was browser related, clearing cookies and cache may fix it. If it was network related, the VPN, cache, or DNS steps should help. And if none of those work right away, remember that Steam restrictions can sometimes resolve on their own after a little time. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.